Understanding drone night flying. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of drone night flying. This topic is not just about flying drones, but it also involves understanding regulations, safety measures, and the beauty of nighttime aerial photography. Let's dive in and learn more about what drone night flying entails. Drone night flying refers to the operation of unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones, during nighttime. Unlike daytime flying, night flying requires pilots to take extra precautions and follow specific regulations to ensure safety. This activity is popular among drone enthusiasts and professional photographers for capturing stunning nighttime landscapes and cityscapes. Flying drones at night comes with its own set of rules and regulations to ensure the safety of the operator, the public, and other aircraft. In many countries, drone pilots must obtain special permissions or certifications to fly at night. Key regulations often include maintaining a clear line of sight with the drone, using lights to increase visibility, and staying away from restricted areas. To safely conduct drone night flying, specific equipment is necessary. This includes high-quality drones with night vision cameras or thermal imaging capabilities, as well as LED lights to make the drone visible from the ground. Pilots also need to check weather conditions, plan their flight path carefully, and ensure their drone's batteries are fully charged. Success in drone night flying involves more than just following regulations. Here are a few tips. Practice flying in safe, open areas to get used to the controls in the dark. Use additional lighting to help with takeoff and landing. Plan your shots in advance to maximize battery life and capture the best imagery. Always have a spotter to help keep an eye on the drone and surroundings. Drone night flying opens up a new world of possibilities for drone pilots, offering a unique perspective on the world below. By understanding the rules, preparing properly, and flying safely, you can enjoy the breathtaking views that night flying has to offer. We hope this video has been informative and inspires you to explore the night sky with your drone. Happy flying and see you in the next video!